Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And for again today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button, guys. We're so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once I hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys. So please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And if you have already subscribed, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Sonic Dimension. That's right, guys. And we're going to see if we're faster than the Hedgehog himself. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 blue wool. And you want to go ahead and you want to place 2 of them on the ground just like that. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your blue wool. Then you just want to go ahead, after you have this built, and you want to jump up on this thing that you have just built and then place 1, 2, 3 blue wool, and then you just want to go ahead and place 1 white wool on top, then jump on down and place 3 blue wool on this side, and then 2 blue wool in the middle, and then 1 white wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. The finished product should look something about like this, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to light this baby up, but make sure you do not light this pig up because that would just be sad. But let's go ahead and light this baby up, and boom, we should be ready to rock and roll to the Sonic Dimension. So let's go ahead and head into this baby and see if we're faster than Sonic. I know he was definitely faster than Sonic heading into that frame, but whoa, oh my god, what? I hope that chicken out there ain't Sonic, guys, but what? I'm actually going to race my pig. Are you ready to race me? What? He's backing down from a race? I cannot believe that. Oh my god, he's coming back. He's trying to beat me. You are not going to cheat me, pig. You are not going to cheat me. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it there before you can ever make it there. And that's pretty sad because you actually have fur feet. I only have 1. No, I actually have 2. I'm sorry, guys. I miscounted. But let's go ahead and just jump this. Forget this, guys. I went in a full circle. You guys seen it. You guys seen it with your own eyes. Let's go ahead and head up this ladder. Hopefully, we can make this jump. Oh my god, guys. Different than I thought I was going to die. Let's go ahead and... Whoa, which way are we supposed to go? I think we're supposed to just jump over here, guys. Yep, that seems about right. Let's go ahead and climb the ladder. Let's go ahead and jump into the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I guess I'm just supposed to go under the water. How cool is this, guys? This is really cool. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and jump through this maze. This is obviously like some kind of, like, try to fit through the block or something, guys. You could just jump on top the whole way through if you really wanted to, and they had some watermelons back there which looked pretty delicious. Let's go ahead and jump on top of this. Wow, guys, we are... Oh my god, what the heck? I was about to say we're really cool, but whoa, I think we gotta go back, guys. I think we gotta go back because we're missing something. Let's go ahead and do this water, and oh my god, which way do we go? This whole thing, guys, is like one humongous maze. I hope I took the right way. Oh, I did. Thank God I did, guys. Thank God I did. It looks like if we would have took the other way, it would have let us out right there. And then I'm not even for sure where that other way went. It probably went to like a bunch of hungry sharks that eat your pants off or something. But whoa, what is that? A big water maze as well. Let's go ahead and head on through here, guys. The tunnel of death. And let's cross the fiery doom. And oh my god, there was lava behind us, guys, that we could have fell into and seriously hurt ourselves. And whoa, I don't even know what's up with that water right there, guys. Let's go ahead and try to make these jumps. Boom, we made that jump. I would actually think that these spawners would actually hurt you considering that you're stepping on fire, guys. But let's go ahead and make all these jumps, guys. I think it does hurt you actually more if you actually take fall damage onto these guys. And ooh, yeah, see, that took about 4 hearts. I'm not for sure if that's the case. It always seemed like that was the case to me, but oh my god, I about fell into lava talking about fall damage. What is the odds of that, guys? Let's go ahead and keep running around this thing, guys. And let's jump on down. Let's go ahead and see what's waiting for us at the end of this Sonic Dimension. Am I going to be able to climb this ladder? No, I am not. I finally was able to climb the ladder, and oh my god, it's Sonic. Oh my god, they actually trapped Sonic. Did they beat you at all? They did not beat you. Did they like slap you in the face with bananas at all? No, they did not do that. Oh, okay. I guess that's only some criminals. Oh my god. Whoa, he went flying. What the heck? What the hedgehog? Oh my god. Wow, you look really cool, man. You look really, really cool. I have so many questions for you, and so many questions about your kidnapping and exactly how it went down, but I guess I will just have to ask you those questions in privacy. So let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.